What's going on, YouTube? Trying to truck my Dutchess. Got it's a Savage 64F 22 long rifle, 10 round clip right here, semi-automatic, and try to start getting into more gun shooting for the hunt. I'm gonna have to fight the wind a little bit today, so y'all just bear with me. But got this for about 150 bucks. Wanted to check it out and see how it was. I had a bolt action JC Higgins for a long time and got used to it. Got the sights set pretty good. I got to adjust them a little bit because they're almost on, but I figured I wanted to get a semi-automatic to have a little bit more shots than having to reload every time a bolt do on the bolt action. But shoot a couple out of this. I've done shot probably about close to 100 rounds out of it and only had it jam up one time, so I don't know how good or bad these are with that, so we'll see. I believe Savage is pretty good gun. I got a 308 rifle in Savage that I've shot a couple times, and then some of my other guns I'll kind of get them on here as I go and show as I try to start transitioning the channel itself over. But I'm gonna load these up and we'll see. Like I said, I got a 10 round clip, and yeah, pretty standard. Got your safety right here. When you see the S, it's on safe. When you see the F, it's on fire. And then right here, pull back the slide. But the load up clip. I am going to be using the Federal 22 long rifle. That's what I use in my bolt action, and I mean, they seem to be real good. Every time I've shot them, I ain't really had no issues with them. So let's see what happens. Alright, got the clip loaded, and best way I can tell you whenever you go to put this in is if you hold down this little lever and put it in. If you push it in far enough and then let off the lever, it'll snap in. Sometimes if you don't, it'll still try to fall back out, so just make sure you pushed it all the way up in there and then it won't fall out at all. But again, put this on fire. Put a round in the chamber. And there you go. Semi-automatic 64F Savage 22 long rifle. I'm gonna keep on messing around with it, make sure my sights are on real good. Like I said, it's a little bit of a windy day today, so it doesn't really help with trying to line up a shot very good. At the distance I'm at, it shouldn't be too much of an issue, but we'll see. But other than that, seems to be a pretty good gun. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. What you think about it?